Our professional on-site management team is at the heart of security operations for every SPS location. We employ all the latest security technology, from HD video surveillance and individual security codes to individual security alarms on every single unit. But even the most state-of-the-art systems won't keep you and your possessions safe if nobody is paying attention. Our managers are the best in the business, and they proactively monitor our security technology and respond rapidly in case of any potential threat. We truly care about keeping your possessions safe and about you having a genuinely great storage experience. We hope the next time you need storage, or even boxes or packing supplies, you will stop by the closest SPS location to check out our superior security and service for yourself. And you can visit us online 24/7 at securitypublicstorage.com.